Welcome to 321 Photoshop. I'm Julianne Cost. Here are 3 ways to export documents, layers, and layer groups in Photoshop. First, I'll set up the export preferences with the settings that I use the most. Decide which format I'm going to save in, where to save the files, whether or not to include metadata, and convert to sRGB. Now, any time that I need to export, I can choose File, Export, Quick Export. In fact, I've even set up a custom keyboard shortcut so that I don't have to use the menu item. Photoshop exports a copy, allowing us to continue working on the open layered document. When you need different settings, choose File, Export, and then Export As. Change the file settings as needed, such as file format, image size, even add additional canvas size around the image on export. If you need to export multiple files at different sizes, click the plus icon and choose the scale amount from the list or enter in a custom value. If you want to export only a portion of a document, such as a single layer or multiple layers or even a layer group, select them from the Layers panel, right-click, and choose Quick Export or Export As. Export As allows us to select individual components of the document and change those settings as needed. I'll click Export All, select a location, and if we move to Bridge, we can see the Assets folder. Double-clicking will reveal all of the exported components.